Welcome to the briefing for Part 2, PSA Production. This section focuses on the production of your proposal public service announcement, which you began in Part 1. Your task is to create an impactful PSA. There is 25 marks contributed to this assignment. The main challenge for you here is to create a PSA that is impactful. Yes, how do you create an impact based on the topic that you research and analyze in Part 1? Here are 5 elements that you can guide you into making an impactful PSA. Firstly, message and content. How can you deliver what you have researched into a media piece? Secondly, creativity and originality. It is on how you use creativity and idea to produce your PSA. Next, technical quality. How well do you deliver technical aspect of the production? Next, target audience and impact factor. Will your production later give impacts to the society that view your PSA? And lastly, call to action. How your message drive audience to act on your topic. Also consider the target audience and impact, as well as a clear call to action. To produce your PSA, you need to choose one media channel from video, poster, blog writing, social media campaign, infographic, or podcast. If you choose a video, it should be between 1 and 3 minutes minimum and effectively communicate your message. You are encouraged to making it with AI and use a video portal to channel it to the public, for example in YouTube or at least in the Google Drive. This option is AI friendly, so you can use AI as an option to produce a video. At the same time, you can also choose to produce the video organically.
For a poster, focus on the strength of your printed graphic design to create a visually appealing and informative result. You should select a set of 4 to 5 different posters. You can use AI to visualize the posters to be mounted on billboard, digital display, product packaging, and many more. 5 posters could be on a different dimension, or a series of messages, or a series of visuals whilst maintaining the concept of the posters.
If you choose blog writing, produce a well-written post of 500 to 800 words with compelling visuals. This option, designed for those passionate about writing. Remember, blog writing is not AI friendly. That means you need to write is from scratch and not to be generated by AI. I would suggest that you write a blog based on your experience or if you have passion in creative writing.
A social media campaign requires a series of 3 to 5 posts. Posts can be images or video. The option is AI friendly. Choose the dimension or size across a chosen platform, like Instagram or Twitter, to effectively convey your message. Example, it could be post, reels, story, shorts, and many more. An infographic should be clear and concise, presenting data and information effectively. This option is AI friendly. Infographic is for representation of data in the graphic form and should be comply as a PSA, as it represent an impactful information to the society. The podcast option involves an audio recording of 3 to 5 minutes to engage listeners. It can be an interview with another person, for example your friend, or someone that is an expert in the area, or self-narration on the topic. You can do it either in podcast audio or podcast video format, and you are free to use AI for generate content, or producing the podcast using AI.
Finally, be sure to include the logo or theme from the Sustainable Development Goals icons in your video, along with the hashtag Razakians Media Savvy. Please read and understand the marking rubric before your submission and submit it only by the deadline. Good luck with your submission.